Welcome to Southwest HVAC. We specialize in heating, air conditioning installations, and repairs. We offer a wide range of products such as conventional heating, AC units, wall heaters, mini splits, package units, and multi-zone systems. We have something for everyone. We have a combined experience over 50 years. All of our technicians are trained and certified to ensure you that you get the best service. When you choose Southwest HVAC, you are covered by our best value guarantee, as well as our 100% guarantee. Every one of our jobs is installed to city code requirements and manufacturer specifications to ensure the best performance of your system. So if you are in need for service on your existing heating or AC system, or in need of a new one installed, call us. We'll be happy to stop by to go over your options.